FabulousWrightmanagement, yeah. Once upon a time. What's up? Hey Royals, welcome back to the Queendom. If you're new here and whatnot, go ahead and click that subscribe button so we can get fancy. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, the pantry is an absolute disaster. And we're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul to go ahead and just organize everything in here and just make it look pretty, because right now, every time I come home and I want to go to the pantry, I don't even know what I can eat and what I can't eat and what I can use, what I want to use. Like, it's beyond me. Alright, so this is everything that I bought from Dollar Tree. I ended up going to get more, but pretty much this is everything. Alright, so first order of business is everything that you've seen in that first clip, it has to go. I have my two little helpers here, and they are just going to help me grab stuff, and I'm going to pass them a lot of stuff, and we're going to get this tackled. It took us about an hour to get everything out of the pantry. So just decluttering, it took an hour. So imagine how long it would have took with just me by myself. It was 3 people. 3 people, and it took about an hour to do. I've sped the footage up, so hopefully the video isn't too long. The pantry, it doesn't stay like that. It only got so bad because of the holidays, and we had so much company, so much traffic through the pantry that it just kind of got out of hand. So this is a way to prevent it from trying to get out of hand again. So I'm trying to see. So far, the pantry looks amazing, and it's been about 2 weeks, and it's still pretty organized. So I'm happy that it is working, and everybody is using the pantry system that I've created. Okay, so here's where I flip the camera around and you can see the disaster that was once in the pantry is now in the kitchen. We took everything out the pantry, set it up, and these two are organizing while I mop the pantry so that it can be nice and spick and span by the time we're ready to put all of our little containers in there. First of all, I want to say, why y'all didn't tell me it was a whole pack of grits or oatmeal? I don't remember which one it was sitting up there. Y'all could have been told me that. So here we are at the end of this video, and these are the final results of the pantry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that inspire you to go and organize your pantry. Like, look at this. I know where everything is, and it's amazing. Like, look at this. It's beautiful.